In this video, I'll show you how to make YouTube Shorts from regular YouTube videos. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like if you found this guide useful, and let's get straight into this guide. The method I'll show you in this video is by far the quickest way to go and create shorts from your existing YouTube videos. Now, it is important to note the videos you do this to have to be your own YouTube videos. And the first thing you need to do is go onto your phone. This can be an iPhone or Android, any type of device, as long as you've got the YouTube app, and go and open it up. And then what you need to do is make sure you've gone and selected the right channel. So in this case, I'm doing this on my GuideRealm channel. So if I go to the top right of YouTube and go and press my profile icon, here I am, and you can go and switch your channel by pressing on your username in the top of this page here. Then you can go and select a different channel. And then once you've selected the correct channel, you need to go back to that page by tapping on your profile picture just like so again. And then you need to go and tap on your channel just like this. Then once you're on your channel, you need to go and find the video which you want to go and make the short from. In this case, I want to make a short from this Roblox error code video here, so I'm going to go and tap on it. And here's the video it's now playing. And what you need to do is come to this carousel of options here, and you need to go and tap on remix. As you can see, it's got that YouTube Shorts logo on it as well. And when you go and tap on remix, as you can see, one of the first options is edit into a short. This option is only available to you. So go and tap on this here just like so, and now I'm going to fully show you how to go and use this editor, as there's quite a few things to know about it. So the first thing to know is by default we're given 15 seconds to go and create this YouTube short from. So in order to go and change this length, what you need to do is go to the top right of the page, and then you can go and tap on this 15, and then it's going to go and extend to 60 seconds, and 60 seconds is the longest time you can go and create a YouTube short for, but you can have it less than 60 seconds. For example, I could go and create a short from this video for 25 seconds if I wanted to. Now, the second thing to note is that you can go and adjust the start and the end length. So I could go and make the video start later on like this and make it end later just like that as well. And the next thing you can do as well is go and just drag it in general. So you can keep this 30-second segment or short from anywhere in the video. As you can see, I could have it from right at the end just like that if I wanted to. So once you've gone and selected the short which you want it to be, then all you then need to do is go and tap next in the bottom right. And after pressing next, it will process just for a few seconds, and then we're on this page here, and we can go and preview the short that we've just sort of cut. And then what we can do is go and add text, voiceover. We can go and change the timeline, and as well as that, we can also go and add filters as well. So I could go and add some text, for example. So this was Roblox error code guide, so I could go and type that in there. And then once you've typed in the text, you obviously go and change its color, and you can also go and change the type of text it is as well. And in the top left, you can choose how it's aligning on the screen, and then you can also go and add a background like that and make it white, and you can do all sorts with it. So yeah, go and test that out, and you can add a voiceover if you wanted to as well. And for the timeline, that's going to allow you to go and have the text showing for different amounts of time. So for example, I could just have the text showing in the intro, and then it's going to go and disappear after a few seconds. And then filters are pretty self-explanatory. Then once you're happy with this, go and tap next in the top right, and the add details page is going to go and load, and you can go and title it. So I can go and name this Roblox error code or something like that. And then you can go and choose the visibility. So it can be public, unlisted, or private. You probably want it to be public, so other people can see it. Then you can choose the audience, and then you can go and choose your comment settings as well. And then all you need to do is go and press upload short, and then it's going to be uploaded on your channel and people can go and view it.